Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about floods. So I'm starting. We were just about to put the water in the flood. We're going to talk about how it works.
Why do we need floods? Well, if you're living in a valley in California and there's a river from the mountains, the water could go down towards the city. So you need to build something to block it. That thing that's called to block it is called a dam. It keeps out the water from flooding your village. You need it because technically your life's at risk.
So there's many types of floods. There's some which people call flash floods, which happen like just at random times. So people build dams to block out the water and so they can control it. We just built this one out of clay and rocks and plastic logs. So
And tiny little houses. We bought it at Lakeshore.
Plastic. Yes, we did. Okay. So this dam that we made, we called it the Briar Trees Dam. Why is because in Valley there's a lot of trees, so we thought about that. And maybe the city can flood. Because sometimes there is dams, but then the rivers can get bigger because sometimes they can break dams. So we're going to check out what happens.
We started out by making a design, and they've taken maybe 20-30 minutes putting this together. So tell me, what are some of the main features of this design?
The main features, usually we're just thinking about stacking up logs. So what we did is we had logs. On some of the logs, on the bottom log, we covered it with clay and we put it on the bottom. Then we built on top of that. On some of the logs, we put on little circular pads of clay on it.
Why did you put clay in between the logs?
So they can stick together. We put the clay over so the water won't come down and go through the cracks.
This was our plan, and we did it exactly like we wanted the plan to be.
Okay, now it's time to test it.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Water flows from the top of mountains down, so that's why it's elevated on the top.
One.
Whee! Okay, that exploded.
Okay, so some of it went on the top like rain might, but is it trickling from the top? Is it leaking?
We're still
Is
alive.
it leaking from the bottom, or did it flood like
No,
over the top? Well, I guess that could
I
also
think
happen
I
in
know
a
what
real
happened.
dam.
I think I know what happened. Now
If
it's
you
like
have a lot of
little leak.
precipitation, more than your dam can hold,
No,
it
it's
could go
no,
over,
it's like a
right?
swimming pool from the
But is it
neighbor's
flowing
house.
from the bottom?
No, she accidentally
Here,
poured
add more
it
water.
down.
Evacuation.
Add more water to the top. Let's see what happens.
Okay, now we're
Slowly.
gonna move around the houses. So so nobody will get hurt.
You probably couldn't really move houses in real life.
It's funny.
I don't know what happened, but before it was going
Look,
down.
you're deviating. That's pretty tight. You're deviating the water on the side. Okay, keep going.
I think I know what happened.
Now, if it's raining, you might actually get some water in your house from the top, right? But this flood, this seems really bad. Some of it is trickling through the bottom, huh?
That's why
Now,
next time
often dams will have escape valves where some of the water is left to run to create a river.
Oh, look,
But if our goal was to completely tighten this up, gotta try again.